But this is what was challenging about Tesla is you had to get through some of these first waves of what it was doing. This is the key critical area, but look how many times, right? Now out of the gate it pulled, popped back through, which we know if it pops back through, right, then we go to the upside, right? So it rolled back up here, it stopped, came right back down again, broke back through. So we would have had this little baby movements, right? And then it did this and then came back up and then came down and then came back up. And then you had this weird thing. So chop, 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 chop until finally out here, which was after the 10 o'clock mark. See it?
Mhm.
Is when it finally started to make a decision what it wanted to do. So yesterday, if you were trading Tesla, it was super choppy out of the gate until we had this nice run, and then it was nice because it didn't ever break and hold to the opposite side. But it was a tough trade. I mean, this is a tough trade, right? Get through this. But do you see the difference? This is why I tell you guys every day, the first 30 minutes. Look how rough these waters are, right? Scalping is always the hardest, absolute last thing you should ever be touching. Well, look at it this way. The timing should be dead on. There is no confusion on the timing. You see this 410.96? As
Yeah.
soon as it breaks and holds, that's when you enter, right? There's no confusion on timing. And then you've got to have your
Yeah.
stop back here to give it a little bit of breathing room, but it can't be a ton because we're scalping. Usually when we're
Mhm.
scalping, so the scalping mentality, right, is you go in a little bit larger and your stops are faster, right?
Mhm.
Because we're using momentum, and in this case, it's just going to be this key critical level, and we're just trying to make this fast move. Scalping is different than the 2 minute. Where
Yeah.
your 2 minute, you pick this thing up, which would be somewhere in here, and we want to let it go for a long time, right? Until it starts to make decisions that says, "Hey, get the hell out," right?
Right. Right.